Hey guys, what's going on? Dr. Hash here, Breakaway Chiropractic. We're with Imani today. She works a lot on a computer, so a lot of forward head posture, shoulders rolled forward, so obviously gets a lot of neck trap pain. She does work out a lot as well to combat that, but we're gonna check everything out, get her adjusted, get her squared away, and then we'll go from there. All right, face down for me, girl. She's all matching today. Maroon shoes, maroon hoodie. Alright, you can see right through there, your right leg's about an inch shorter than your left. Some rotation in those hips. You do anything fun this weekend?
Actually I went out with some friends actually.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah.
Alright, take a deep breath in. Exhale all the way out, relax that. Awesome. Deep breath in all the way out. Relax that for me. Good. Deep breath in all the way out. Alright, you can see it right through here. That trap is tight. Deep breath in all the way. Relax. Yeah. Look, she's even got the matching nails to go with it. Holy smokes. Deep breath in. All the way. Relax that shoulder for me. Good. How's your workouts been?
Pretty good so far. Trying to keep up with at-home workouts.
That's the hardest thing, right?
Yeah.
Alright, let me just try to take it real quick. Alright, just from that breath of his legs, nice and even. Which is good, taking out that anterior rotation of that hip. Alright, roll on this side, face me over here. Yeah, our little guy turned 2 this weekend, so we had a kitty birthday party.
Kitty?
Oh yeah.
Oh.
It was fun. Already moving for me. Sweet! Other side. Over there. There you go. Awesome.
That was a good one.
Let's get that neck rolling. Your eyelashes are long.
Oh, thanks. Just haven't done today.
Did you? Uh-oh. See, I noticed things.
You do. Me and Phil used to have the same lady.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
Relax. Good. Now you guys don't?
No, yeah. Hers lady's sick, so I have to go to someone else.
Yeah. Just move on to the next one after
Yeah.
that. Relax that for me.
About to go out of town, so I had to get them done.
Where are you on now?
Colorado again.
Again?
Yeah. I should just move.
You should just get another another spot out
I
there.
know.
It's like your every 3 weeks vacation.
Literally.
Slide down for me. Hiking or anything?
Always.
Always. Hug it out, roll towards me. Deep breath in all the way out. Relax it. Good. Flip those arms the other way. Deep breath in all the way out. Relax it. Good. Alright, let's get a deep stretch in here, girl. Push your foot into me like you're trying to kick me. Push, push, push. And relax. Good. Push up to the ceiling. And relax. Push again. Holy smokes, your hips are tight. Let it go, let it go, let it go. There you go. Feel how tight that is.
Yes.
We need more life.
Need to stretch more.
Yeah, you do. Good. Push that leg to me. Push, push, push. And relax. Good.
I did a little bit of stretching this morning.
Yeah.
Probably
It's the hardest thing to do.
Yeah.
Push into me. Push, 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 push. And relax. Push up to the ceiling. And relax. Let it go, girl. Push up again. And relax. Awesome. Alright, down the hallway across. Push into me. And relax. Push in. And relax. Let's get these hips moving some more. Go ahead and just relax that leg.
Yeah.
Dead weight for me. Gonna make you a little taller.
My dream come true.
Awesome. Right there, dead weight through there. Holy moly. I think we got like an inch out of those legs.
Yes, thank
Go.
you.
Come on up. Alright, how's that feel?
Much better.
Much better. Awesome,
Much
guys.
better.
Hope you guys enjoyed that. We'll see you guys next time. Take care.